What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Tahita Hawkins here. Guys, for today's video, we are going to be covering batch cooking, aka meal preps, pretty much the same idea. So ultimately, I'm going to be preparing a couple meals that are going to get me through the better part of the week. So I've got breakfast, lunch, and dinner mapped out. So here's what we're going to be doing. So for breakfast, I'm going to be doing some overnight oats. For lunch, I'm going to do a nutritional bowl. And then for dinner, I'm going to do some meatballs with boiled potatoes and snap peas. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, so I'm back. And we are all set. I did this based off of convenience. I would strongly recommend you do the same. I cannot wait to dig into these items, guys. This vinaigrette is him. The gravy is dynamite. But anyway, guys, this was my edition of my meal prepping / batch cooking, however you want to call it or name it or whatever. I really do think this is incredibly useful. So make sure that you too incorporate this into your life. It just makes things so much easier on all fronts. Check in next week where I'll be talking about that even as a vegan, you do not have to spend an arm and a leg when it comes to grocery shopping, especially for meal prepping.